Hello, guy. I have two machines I made. I'll save that one for the end. It almost crashed my game once while trying to test. Okay, so this one is not that interesting, but I just made it teleport you. Because I think they fixed the thing with repeating teleports in 1.21.10, and just put that back. Yeah, and then this one, this was actually way too, I tried running with like all of it, and then I like AFK'd, and then it crashed it like brought me down to like 1 FPS. And then now I only did like around 300 boats, 360 I think. And then, yeah, I think you go to that corner and then you get launched that way. Yep. And then the boats are just, what? Oh, that's my entity distance. And then there's boats everywhere. Kind of looks like, it kind of makes like a cool shape. And also, I've made this thing actually. Forgot to say this. It's a 3-row TNT cannon. Launches you up around 550 blocks. Yeah, and that's it.